Hi everyone, we're here with the man, the myth, the legend, that particle guy. Andy, do you want to talk to us today and tell us what you've got?
Yeah, great to see you and great to have you with us. Just a quick overview of everything we've got on the stand. So this is our MiniCap mobile active air sampler for viable sampling. This is the 100 litres a minute version, so we can measure 1 cubic metre in 10 minutes.
Great.
This is our portable particle counter. It's the Laser Pro. This model is a 100 litre per minute model. We set here on 0.5 and 5 micron. I'll just quickly start it. It's just measuring every 6 seconds, but showing us the particles per cubic metre.
Do you think we're going to be in range?
Do you know what? We have the clean room classification card here. Our grade D limit is 0.5, 3.5 million and 29,300 for 5 micron. And we are actually achieving grade D here, amazingly enough. So
there you go.
Something about this this exhibition that must be keeping us all quite clean.
That's perfect. That's a useful tool as well, just to have handy, isn't it, really, for the classifications?
It's got the ISO standard on, the GMP viable and non-viable limits, number of locations you need to test, and a comparison. So again, that's downloadable on our website.
Is it really?
Or if you're at an exhibition, pop by and grab one from us as well.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah. We've also got our single-use technology. So this is mimicking the stainless steel head that's on the MiniCap mobile. We can put these inside filling lines with the remote pump outside of the filling line. So it's a pre-filled agar inside, and then it uses the same. If I go back to the other unit, kind of mimicking the radial slit design that is on the stainless steel unit in a single-use plastic version as well. So it can give improved efficiencies and a good return.
Sounds good.
There. And then again, this is a version of the MiniCap mobile, similar to the last one we looked at. But this is what we call our compressed gas kit accessory. So this enables us, often people focus on the air coming in through the HVAC and the HEPA filters, but if we've got compressed gases, compressed air, nitrogen in a clean room, it can be a backdoor source of contamination. So this enables us to connect a high pressure compressed gas line to here. This is a diffusion chamber. We exhaust the excess gas through here, bring it down to atmospheric pressure, and then again we can measure the viable limits in compressed gases.
Cool, and that's the same device there as the one over there.
So you can have it for room only, portable. Even at a later date, you can buy this as an accessory kit that bolts onto it and allows compressed gas testing as well, all in the same base unit.
Oh, that's cool. Nice, I like it.
Lastly here, we've got our environmental monitoring handbooks, volume 1 and volume 2. We have we've been particle counting for over 50 years. A lot of knowledge and expertise in the company. We have webinars, white papers, application notes, podcasts, and I know you're promoting a lot of the education.
That's cool.
And this is really just a selection of the white papers that we've done over the years. A lot we put together in the sort of year or two after the Annex 1 revision. A lot of technical information, and again, people can download that from the website. We can give you a link and download
is there a link? And then we've got an app that's free for people to use and just resources all in one place.
Yeah, we can put that more than welcome to. We want to share knowledge. That's what we do. I like to sell occasionally, but I prefer to share knowledge as well. So that's where we're at.
Well, the event itself as well, you guys are obviously a mainstay at this event. How do you find Making Pharmaceuticals?
Yeah, it's great. It's great to come here. Great to see people. There's a lot of people we know in the industry. We're even nice to our competitors sometimes. But yeah, we talk to, meet you guys. The drinks reception's great, and a lot of new faces as well. Again, a lot of the education. Really lucky that the kit we sell, we have the demo kit, so it's nice. it's nice to be able to demonstrate it and not just, you know, show you a data sheet. So we've had some great conversations over the last couple of days.
Sounds good. And obviously this event is at the NEC next year. Do you guys think you'll be there?
Yeah, I think we'll be down for it next year.
Are you down for it now?
Looking at, not yet, but we're definitely in the plans for next year.
Sounds good. So we may see you next year for round 2. See you later, mate.
Great.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Bye now.